Also, do you guys notice the black liner? What I try to do with it, tell me what I think. Like, I think it cute. Me like it anyways. So yeah, we're gonna head back home now, unpack, and then it's today is actually a hair wash day. And after the hair wash, Sunday morning, and I don't think I got to wash her hair yesterday, Saturday, so I'm gonna have to wash her hair today. The best at doing hair, but once I had a daughter, it is something that I had to learn how to do, and I am still learning. As you can see here, I just look up things online and just try them, or just stick to what I know best, and it's just twisting and doing a 1 and 2 cane here and there, and that will work. That way I don't have to go to the hairdresser and deal with all of that. Okay, so I've been up since like 3 a.m. so I did my 3 a.m. morning routine this morning. Did not record it though because it was 3 a.m. but I think if I wake up at 3 a.m. again, I'm gonna do my 3 a.m. morning routine, because usually I like 5, but sometimes, if depending on when I go to sleep, my body wakes me up at 3. So because of that, I'm gonna put the camera down. Okay, so because of that, my I just get up at 3. I don't even bother to wait until it's actually what time? Yeah, I don't even wait until it's actually 5. I just stay until 3, because you know I'm up. Might as well take the energy, and all the energy that I have, I just take it and just, you know, work or whatever. So I've been up since 3, and I was gonna go back in and go to sleep, but I'm not today. I just finished drop off. So oh, I have something else I need to drop off again, and then I go home. And I feel like I started working on, I had some courses that I need to do. I did some of them earlier, some like a class thing. I have to edit, but it's supposed to like, I was supposed to post a vlog yesterday. It never have my thumbnail, so I could have posted. So may I go and work on the thumbnail them and do some more editing. But I'm gonna do this drop off first. I was definitely supposed to record the car tour, because I was waiting for the sun, and the sun is finally here today, but I never properly planned it, because if I did know that the sun there today, because last night it set up for rain, me to get myself like even more together, and just after this schedule for just drive, go at a spot, go do a nice tour, and a little voice, well, I think I would talk while tour, so I could have that to post. So I'm gonna check the weather when I'm going and see what this week look like where it concerns sun. I'm gonna do the tour. Maybe tomorrow. Today I'm Monday, so maybe tomorrow I'm gonna do it so that we can have it. I'm gonna post it till the next. But by the time you see this, I probably have post it in a few days actually. So yes, it's time for drop off, and I'm gonna fix my hair. We're kind of stiff right now. Probably get some macadamia nut oil mix and put on it. Best one of the amazing oil, but you know people have nut allergies, so I can't. That's why I'm gonna use it. Cause I can't just go around having macadamia nut in their hair, and there's a lot of people with nut allergies. But I can use it in the night, man. Oh my god, that and two reasons why I'm gonna use it. I also don't want it on my hands, and then it gets on the kids, and then the kids go to school, and somebody at the school have nut allergy, you know. But just don't want nothing pass cross contaminate. So that's why I'm gonna use it in a long while. But macadamia nut oil is so good for your hair. But I'm gonna try it with a small amount, like on the weekend or something. Some moisture, so I can bring back some moisture to this hair. But when I catch my hair up, I don't do it tight either. I don't go crazy with it. I just basically just pull it out of my face. That's all it is. I'm not doing like a high ponytail or anything like that. It's just pulling it out of my face. So I can put on my earrings, and today is gloomy anyways. So I don't like somebody else see me, but I might go to the doctor today. I'm gonna call them, see if I can come in to do some blood work. All right, moisturizer on, and now it's time. I should have put on a different bra with this. Oh well, I'm gonna put my jacket over it anyways because outside it looks like it will pop, like it's gonna rain cats and dogs before I drop off. Okay, I look too bad. Oh, I'm gonna catch up my hair. This work for me because if I do it the other way, then it's like pulling on my edges. I'm on that. Let me catch it up, so I'm good to go. I can't wait for the day when I can dye my ear. I become always in the pool, you know, which bare lint. Become always in the pool, make me not dye it yet. Damn man, this full of lint. Yo, you wanna know what's crazy? When me have my hair like I'm gonna just do it, I used to put on something by all the time. Lint was a no-no, but I can't wear that all the time because I film all the time and I don't want to film with that on my head. I look weird, so I'm gonna have to take it off, and then sometimes I just want to walk around with it on my head because it's hot. But damn, without it, bare lint. Lint for days. Anyways, so I'm gonna get ready for drop off now.
Was okay. You know, so I said gimmick, but that my, feeling, that I'm basically setting surrounding this.
All right, so I made it to my appointment. Make a video a while ago, but I did almost I leave for my appointment. Only if it's to say it never did a record. I made it to my appointment. I did drop off. Made it to my appointment. It is now 10:49. I'm sure they're already, but make a stop. And then Tropical Smoothie was having free bowl or smoothie. I've never had tropical smoothie, and Timo Tuesday was giving it away free, so why not? So I went there and stopped so I could get something to eat because I felt like they were going to take blood, so I need something to eat. But then also did I remember them, they said something about not eating before whatever procedure they gonna do. So if I go in there, I ask them, because I think I had an apple earlier, so I'm gonna go in there, ask them and see if I can still do whatever them about to do, whatever test I'm about to run, and see if I can still get through with that. But yeah, so until then, and I feel like in the pack too, because you know a doctor, you see people are walk going, whoosh, I need my ID, I need my ID for going there. And if I get packed, oh, more up on going here. But yeah, I'll check in back when I'm done. Yo, I came out so quick. Like, my mama said there was nobody there, so. And I think, I don't know, I think the nurse that did me, I don't know if she was in training or something, because all the older nurse, well, they look like them older nurse, they were like watching her, I guess to make sure she was doing the right thing. I don't know, and they were just checking to see. So, but it was usually when I get my blood drawn, I don't look when they stick the needle in. I wait until after, and then I look at the needle, and then as they're drawing the blood, I look away, and then I look back. So they took like 4 tubes, I think. I mean, just eating an apple at 6:30 wasn't a big deal, so they were able to take that. So I'm glad I'm not somebody who regularly eat breakfast. But come and tell you the other day, was it yesterday, me eat the breakfast and my belly just took a turn, and I think it's because my belly not used to eating breakfast so early. So I was like, this morning, I'm not do it to myself, I'm not eating the breakfast, I'm not, me stick to what I know and wait till 12 like when I normally eat. 11, 12 o'clock when I normally eat. So my belly can adjust to that. And also when we eat breakfast, sometimes I get too tired like me sit down and I do work and literally I drop asleep. I mean literally in the middle of it. So rather just not eat, do everything while my energy is up and then eat after. But now since we get the tropical bowl that's more fruits and energy boosting stuff, so I'm gonna eat that and then when I go home now I can just get to where by the time I reach home it kind of digest, well not digest but you know, in a sack up on my stomach, and I can go up to when I need to finish the courses online. Should have just drove to the park and eat this since I'm outside. It's just so cold. Is that how this is supposed to be? The shredded coconut seems so fake. It's so cold because with the sugar tea, it being so cold, I can't get to enjoy it. I can't wait to get my teeth fixed because I need to start enjoying my food. Because if I eat and be careful, if I eat and be careful and make sure it may really go too much on my teeth. But then I enjoy my something and the rain has fallen. So now I have to work on left. I don't want the rain get too crazy. I'm still do the next thing. My mom telling somebody I gotta do car tour and take picture of the car and make video. Tell me how the sun come out today. The sun decides, say, give me a chance yesterday if I take it, so it come out today. It now come out. It not come out today and rain clouds and bare things, sir. After me good plan for the video today.
Read a book.
This is why I'm gonna eat certain things because of the whole teeth issue. It's like me on a hunt, like it's a puzzle for me eat. I bite my lip a while ago because I try avoid biting a certain part of my mouth with the cold stuff. This is what I'm gonna eat. It takes too much work for me to eat. And then before I eat, my body I react certain way. Too much work. So I'm better off not eating.